Affiliate marketing can be a great source of revenue generation. It is performance-based marketing, and the key to its success lies only in how well you engage the readers and how well you convince them in taking a specific action, such as signing up for a newsletter or having a sale completed. The 6 best affiliate marketing tips for beginners are: 1. Know your audience. You should promote only such products and services that match the needs and wants of your audience. You should educate your audiences to your products through reviews or any other relevant content. The more relevant the content you offer to your audiences, the more compelled the audiences will get. 2. Provide high valuable content. The more valuable content you will provide, the more inclined audiences will get towards taking action. If you are promoting a certain product, provide a useful and detailed review about it. This will motivate the reader in buying it as a course of action. A non-useful information, on the other hand, will drive the traffic away from your website altogether, and you will not be able to make a sale. 3. Don't take shortcuts. You should always try and promote products that you believe and are worth endorsing. Provide genuine and valuable content. This ways you can build a relationship of trust with your audiences. The trust factor will bring in more people through recommendations, thus increasing the revenue. 4. Only choose the best products. You should give timely consideration and choose the products or services wisely, keeping in view what your readers may like best. You will figure it out over time that which formula attracts more attention. 5. Focus on quality. The content should be relevant and must be given highest priority. Valuable and useful content will make the visitors come back each and every time. So focus on the most accurate and flawless yet most relevant content. 6. Promote digital products. Promoting digital information products is highly recommended, as they can instantly be accessed by customers while they offer much higher commission rates as compared to physical products. So these are the 6 best affiliate marketing tips for beginners. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In this channel you will get information about various business-related topics such as money, finance, investing, real estate and online businesses. Bye.